Mm. Let me know if there's any pain or tenderness as I go down the spine.
A little bit right there.
Okay.
Right there.
Okay.
Ooh.
Deep breath in and out. One more time. Good. Okay. Let me have you sit up on the table.
This way?
Yes.
Okay.
Okay. Yep, one arm up, good, one up, good. Remember to do that. Can you relax your arms? Okay, lay face down again for me. Table's gonna pop up from below you. Uncross. And down. Breath in and out. Let your hands rest.
Okay.
And use your Y strap.
Let's do it.
And down.
Oh, wow.